Driven by a severe crisis of drinking water, local residents of Kachucherra have now resorted to a road blockade on Tuesday. Upon receiving the news, police and administrative representatives arrived at the spot.
Sir.
According to allegations made by the locals, a severe shortage of drinking water has been plaguing the area for a long time. Despite repeatedly informing the administration and the concerned department, no permanent solution has been provided. Out of desperation, they took to the streets today, protesting with pitchers and buckets in hand. Whereas due to the blockade, numerous vehicles were stranded on both sides of the road, creating a massive traffic jam.
Secretary bottom da chung joto ko pai lai jak se bui je jaga to 4 ghonta sarogo o jaga to nung 2 ghonta chini sarogte khama paising 1 ghonta sangka paising 1 ghonta bas paika 2 ghonta odin khai motamoti diborong phano ya khama paising odin chung tui man le do correct kore bagai tei basa thangoi chung tui rikha rima pore 10 dino phung time rikha tei basa odin isime botto tab tini ponto botto pojon botto hagebo শুক্রবারনা বৃহস্পতিবার দিন আইছে আমি তো খাইবো কালায়ো এই পঞ্চায়েত খাইদামান
Pure report, Chini Khorang.